In this video, we'll see what are decorators in Python. Decorators are used to change the behavior of a function. We'll see the implementation of decorators using a simple example, which is swapping of two numbers. So that will be very easy method to understand the decorators in Python. So let's see the implementation. Now we'll start by creating the function, which is def swap. So swap takes two parameters a comma b, and here I'll be not returning anything. I'll just print a normal print statement, which is print. This is a swap function. Okay. Now, so here this is the function which we want to decorate. Okay, decorate in the sense we want to change the behavior of this function. To change this behavior of this function, we will be creating another function, which is execute, which takes an argument. Okay, that argument can be func or f1. You can give any name. Okay, but this execute takes an argument. Okay. Okay, now the main point is whatever the swap function has as a parameters, and that these parameters are passed to the argument. Okay, these parameters a and b are passed to the argument f1. Again, I'm saying these parameters a comma b are passed as passed as parameters to the argument. A comma b are passed as parameters to the argument f1. Okay, in our case, what is the argument? That is f1. Okay, this is the main point to remember. So now we'll move on. Let's create an inner function here. Okay, so inner takes these two parameters. Okay, whatever the parameters we pass to f1, inner will take those. Okay, a comma b. Okay, and now here we'll be building the actual logic for swap. Okay, swapping of two numbers logic will be writing here. Okay, inside the inner function. So let's say I'll write a condition if I'll write a very simple logic to understand it easily. So let's say a greater than b, print, not print, we'll swap first. Okay, so if a is greater than b, we'll swap a comma b equal to b comma a. Okay, so now else print, no swap done. Okay, and here we have to print the swapped numbers. Okay, what are the swapped numbers? A and b. We have to print it here, a comma, and give it equal to here, and here a. Okay, and I'll be printing b equal to comma, sorry, b. Okay, so this is the small logic to swap two numbers. Okay, I have given a condition if a is greater than b, then a will be swapped to b will be swapped to a. Okay, if there is no if a is less than b, else part will be executed, no swap done. So let's move on. Now we'll return this argument f1. So as I said, f1 takes two parameters. Okay, what are the two parameters? A comma b. So f1 is a function now. Okay, f1 is a function. Okay, we are writing an argument as a function. So f1 takes two parameters, which is a comma b. So now we'll return the inner function. Okay, now this is all done. Now what we have to do is we are decorating this function. Okay, to to mention that we are decorating this, we have to give it at the rate, and we have to pass the name of the function here, execute. Okay, this is the decorator which we are giving to swap function. Okay, so if I try to run it, okay, before run it we have to call it. Okay, we have to call the swap function, swap. Here we have to pass the arguments, okay, for a and b. So what are the arguments? We can give any argument, let's say 7 and 2 or 5. Okay, 7 or 5. If I try to run it, see, A is 5, B is 7. Okay, I have given A as 7 and B as 5. So it has given me the exact answer what I was expecting. Okay, it has given me the swapped numbers as well as this print statement. Okay, so this is what decorator does. Without modifying this code, we are changing the behavior of this swap function just by creating another function. Okay, so let me take another numbers. Let's say 7, 7. I'll take two numbers same. Let's run it. No swap done. Okay, it is giving me no swap done for two if two numbers are same. Okay, so let's take a small number which is 2, and I'll take a big number 2, 8. Now A is 2, B is 8. If I try to run it, no swap done. But this statement is getting executed. Okay, so let me clear that and let me give another number. Let's say 8, 4. Now the answer will be 4, 8. A is as of now it is A is equal to 8, B is equal to 4. Now the output will give me A is equal to 4, B is equal to 8. This is the expected output what we are getting here. So this is all about decorators. I hope you like this video. This is a very simple example to understand decorators. Decorators is a very tough topic to understand. Actually, uh, for your better understanding, I have chosen this example. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel.